what is Java. Okay, I think nowadays everybody looking for more logical kind of stuff, and everybody, so whoever like programming lovers are there, so for them the Java will give the good feel while making the applications, deploying the applications, all the aspects. Okay, so this is just basically Java is, it is also a programming language, just like earlier languages C and C++. It is a high level language basically. It means high level in the sense it has more scope and more capacity, and it will be useful for so many areas. Okay, it's mostly, it is expressively designed for distributed environment of an internet. Mostly it is very suitable for network applications. Of course, not only internet applications, even desktop applications also we can use a Java. Okay, but more, like mostly which will be suitable for internet applications, because nowadays so many, a billion of billion number of systems are run on Java, billion of systems. Okay, not only like even thousands of systems, billion of systems. Okay, so the meaning is easily you can understand, so how Java is popular today, and how many peoples are using Java today, right? This is one thing. And one more thing, this is actually it came from just like C++ only, because before of Java we have already C++ is one of the language, and even C# is also introduced that time, but C++ is the basic for Java. So at least if you know minimum of object oriented programming features with C++, easily we can understand it. Okay, and one more thing is, it is look and feel, it's just like C++ only, but it is very similar to use than C++, and it enforces an completely object-oriented programming model, because even here also object-oriented programming model concepts we are using, just like classes, objects, encapsulation, data abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. These all kind of things. So many kind of object-oriented programming system features are there. Okay, these all also we can implement perfectly in Java. Okay, so but it's not a complete features of C, and it's not a complete features of C++. They introduce the Java. Okay, and of course it is earlier of 1995. This is in 1995 they introduced Java in markets with JDK is one of the version of the Java Development Kit 1.0, that is. Okay, so this is overall idea of just like Java, like it is a mainly it's a object oriented programming language, and look and feel is completely C++. It is mainly used for distributed environment. Distributed means like remoting uh, environment. It means somewhere server is there, somewhere client is there, both they want to communicate mutually in the form of objects, actually this is object oriented, right? This is object oriented. So server side, if you create any one kind of application, so via server the client want to access any kind of objects related data, we can do it by using Java, but using C++ these remoting kind of distributed kind of things are not possible. Okay, so this is one of the main advantage by using environmentally. This is what is Java, it is. Okay, and one more thing is, like see, any new guys are there, like anybody want to learn or anybody want to develop the applications through Java, for them, see, how can we say Java is best, like in what kind of aspects, what kind of situations, what kind of scenarios the Java will be suitable for real-time applications. How can we say Java is best in the sense? So these all are the factors to choose. Okay, now next we'll see the why Java. Okay, why we're going to choose Java? What is the necessity of Java choosing for our applications? So if you want to choose Java, what are the benefits are provided by Java here? See, this is completely environmentally, deployment wise, development wise, all kind of aspects, it will be very easy. And what are the factors are there? Just we'll check it. Okay. The first one is, what is the thing here? Easy to learn. Any like Java program, like see, if you are the beginner, you are starting one. I mean, like any person want to learn the Java applications. I mean, any person want to learn the Java programming language, syntaxes, these all are. But little bit of, just before going to learn Java, if you have little bit of knowledge on C++ and object-oriented combination. Of course, C++ is nothing but internally we have object-oriented concepts like classes, objects, and some more things. If you know these kind of things, the little bit of things, easily you can understand the Java syntaxes. Okay, so even before of this we have C++ language, right? Same thing. See, the fundamentals of Java came from a programming language called C++. The meaning is, look and feel of Java is just like C++ only. Look and feel. But comparatively C++, we can make the syntaxes in Java very easy comparatively that. Because everything will be global declarations. Global declarations are possible in C++, but in Java there is no global declarations. Everything is local. Local in the sense, everything should be defined inside the containers. So what is the meaning of container here? It's a class. So each and every class we are saying as it is a container. See, whatever the information we are keeping in your container, without permission of the container, can you access the information? No, it is not possible. So that's why everything it is providing completely tightly security for your code. Okay, so this is the thing. Basically easy to learn the Java, because C++ is also a powerful language. It was felt to be too complex in its syntax. That only I told you the same. According to C++ syntaxes, uh, making of the C++ is somewhat complicated comparatively Java here. Okay, because in Java very flexibly we can develop the application. So even learning time also for beginners it will be very easy. Okay, if they have little bit of knowledge on object-oriented features along with C+ syntax, that's it. Okay, so in this way, this is also one of the good feature, right? I mean, like a good factor to choose Java is best. Okay, and same thing, of course, Java completely built on and improve the ideas of C++ to provide a programming language that was powerful and simple to use. The meaning is, within the C++, whatever the kind of ideas in the sense whatever the concepts they introduced already in C++, the same kind of things as it is we can use, and somewhat extra things like powerful features we have in Java. So C++ related features plus some extra features, both combined we can easily implement into our Java. So that's why these all are the factors to learn Java very easily. Okay, this is one of the good factor to choose Java is best. Okay, and again same way, just go to the second option. Okay, second factor, uh, this is platform independent. Okay, let's moving to the platform. Generally, anywhere platform means, generally we have to consider as it is a operating system, right? Operating system. It means one platform to another platform. This is simply okay. Like this, programs need to work regardless of the machine they were being executed on. The meaning is, see, any application you take, like already before Java we have so many programming languages. For those all programming languages, of course we need compulsory conversion concepts, because basically all are high level languages. High level language should be converts to low level language, I mean machine language. So compulsory each and every programming language should be converts to low level language, I mean programming language. Okay, whenever the language will be converts to machine level, our source language will be converts to machine level, then only machine can understands completely. So then system will be respond. Okay, so and so kind of instruction it is, then like that. Okay, in this case, the why platform independent it is. Actually, this is the for just we'll check it. The see, Java was written to be a portable language that does not care about the operating system or the hardware of the computer. See, portable. Portable means like so moving the applications from one particular system to another system. See, at the time of moving, whatever the operating system we used right now, like making of the application, whatever the operating system is available, that one, and at the time of execution, whatever the operating system is there in second system. Okay, if both are different also, it don't care, because it is providing completely platform independent, right? That's why. Okay, just look at the simple program diagram here. It is, see, this is our application, just hello world application dot. See, the name can be anything, file name can be anything, something name dot java. This is our application, a simple source code. Okay, how internally it will be converts? See, in this case only we can say, in this case we can say it is a platform independent. How it will be platform independent? Based on this particular feature we can say. Okay, this is a Java application. Of course, any Java application should be provide like this. See, suppose according to, let's check this one. Okay, so this is a thing. Suppose, just assume it is a Java application. See, employee.java is our file, just assume here. So however, any source code should be compiled with compiler, right? So compulsory we need software. So here we will get Java compiler. See, we have to pass our employee.java file as input for our Java compiler, right? Then now the Java compiler will converts to, they're calling as machine code. But one thing you notice, bytecode is not machine code. Okay, but actually our main aim is we need exactly machine code, right? We need machine code. Okay, but how can we get the machine code? Once the compiler is done somewhat conversion, we will get bytecode. So this is not machine code. So again we need one more conversion. So in this case, what is the file will be generated? Employee.class file. So this is called employee.class file. This is bytecode is also called as dot class file. Again we need one more conversion, employee.class. Okay, one more software here. It is previously the software is a compiler, and next one is here interpreter. We are okay. So this is also one more software. Java compiler is the translator. Java interpreter is also a translator, but the compiler translator will converts the whole Java file will be into bytecode. Whenever the .java file will get no errors. Whenever it have no errors, then only it will converts to bytecode. If .java file have any kind of errors, just it will stop, like it will not going to create any kind of dot class file. So once employee.java is clear completely error free, then only it will generate employee.class file. Otherwise simply it stops the conversion process. Okay, but Java compilation process is at a time. Suppose here total 20 lines of or 30 lines of code is there. Whole 30 lines of code will be converts to bytecode whenever 30 lines of code have no errors. Okay, then next one is employee.class file. Now employee.class file have already bytecode, it is not machine code. But how the interpreter will make the conversions here? Once we'll check it here. line by line. Suppose here 20 lines are there. First line, second line, third line. It make the conversion and execute. See, this is machine code. Okay, but we can't see the machine code explicitly. It will not visible to the developers. Okay, and even employee.class file will be, it generates and we can see also. We can see the employee.class file, but we can't see the machine code here. Okay, that is okay, fine. And so in this case, bytecode. But this bytecode we can generate in any mission. Now the functionality is platform independent. See, this employee.java compilation, getting bytecode, these all will be in one system. Just assume here we have total 3 systems, just like this. In our figure we have no like this. See, I am doing Win32. Win32 means Windows operating system. It's completely. Of course, it is like 32-bit operating system or 64-bit, but even bit operating system is also will give the somewhat differences. Okay, just assume first of all, first system is Windows 7, suppose 64-bit operating system. Just assume. In this, I did first option. See, this one I did. Okay, employee.java file we did. Employee.java file, conversion of Java file into bytecode. The first process I did in Windows 7 operating system, first system I did. Okay, in second system, Solaris system, that is, just assume Solaris system is there, Mac system is there, total 2 different kind of systems are available. Okay, but in Solaris system, in Mac system we have Java. These 2 systems we have Java. Okay, so in this case I want to move, see here whatever the bytecode is there, no, bytecode. The bytecode in the sense, what is the meaning? Compilation code only, no? Compilation code. Once the compilation is done, here see the compiler. Once the compilation is done, dot class file will become right here. Compiler output is dot class file. So here, suppose if you take hello world app.java, after compilation of compiler, hello world dot class file will come, just like employee dot class. Simple, here it is. Okay, like this. In this bytecode employee.class and employee.class, this employee.class file I am moving to Solaris system, Mac system, some many Linux flavor, any kind of other systems. Okay, so in that case, but all the systems have Java. All the systems have Java, but in all the systems we no need to recompile the application. Just we have to send the dot class file. But this dot class file is generated with respecting of the operating system, right? Okay, Windows operating system related dot class file it is taking, it is creating. And suppose if you are having Linux 3, if you compile according to the Linux, some kind of dot class file will be generated. But any type of operating system you create, dot class file is independent for all the machines. Not dot Java, dot class file is independent for all the machines. So that's why, you know, here in this case, Win32 interpreter, Solaris interpreter, Mac interpreter. It means, see, interpreter means Java interpreter, the meaning is. Okay. Solaris interpreter can accepts the, can executes the, with Win32, whatever the compiler program is there, that compiler program will be executed. Same to same way Mac operating system also. It means in one operating system, one compilation code is there. That compilation code will run on any other machines which are having of course Java. Okay, but in other systems we no need to recompile the programs, right? But earlier languages C and C++, in Windows system, if you execute the application like C application, any conversion, compulsory the code execution should be in the same system only. Okay, compilation is in some system, execution in another system, not possible, because they all are platform dependent languages. Okay, so in this case, this platform independent will be very useful. It is good benefit for whoever maintaining the softwares. I mean, whoever, of course, nowadays so many number of web applications are running on Java. So in that case, Suppose developers they develop the application their own machines. I mean like Windows machine or Linux machine, almost maximum Windows machine, because of that will be too much of user friendly for them. So that's why they will develop the application. So once they develop, they will give the dot class files to administrators. So what administrator will do? Administrator simply whatever the dot class files which are developed by developers, simply that will be sent to uh, the machines wherever your main server is available in those machines. Maximum in real time servers deployment, so deployment of the applications in servers, in the sense maximum all the server systems are having other than Microsoft Windows operating systems, because of Linux machines, Mac machines, these all Solaris machines, they are having good securable features comparatively Microsoft Windows operating system. So that's why maximum they are using these all Solaris, Mac, these all kind of systems. Even Linux flavored operating systems also we have. Okay, so that's why, see, making of the Java application in one system, compilation is also in one system, but execution in other system. So this much of feature is not available in any other languages. Even .NET also, .NET is also, we can say it is platform independent only up to some extent, we can say that is. It means coming to Java, just Java software will be installed in other machines. That's it. Only Java software. No other softwares are required to make platform independent. But coming to Microsoft .NET, I mean Visual Studio .NET. So if you want to make .NET as platform independent, we have to add one more supporting software. Supporting software means again it will be somewhat cost effective. Again we have to purchase that one. So Microsoft product means everything is licensed things, right? That even that is also one of the drawback for .NET. See, drawback in the sense choosing. Why more than multiple people are choosing Java, in the sense that these all are the factors. One is previous one is easy to learn, and right now this one is platform independent. Even in these cases, suppose after a few days, like after a few years, if they want to migrate the operating systems, so right now he is using, suppose he is using right now Linux operating system. After 1 year, they want to run their all applications in Mac operating system. So in that case, right now whatever the applications they are running in that particular operating system, all the applications should be compatible with whatever the new operating system, right? Then only we can easily migrate. Otherwise, it is not possible. Is there any problem with Java? Such kind of problem? No. So using Java, these kind of migrations very easily we can do it. Okay. So this is also one of the good factor to say the Java is the best. Okay. And next one is here, it's pure object oriented. Okay, see, object oriented to pure object oriented, two kind of things are available. Object oriented means, of course we know, like any kind of language which supports completely OOPS concepts, object oriented programming system concepts, we can say like a classes, so objects, data encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance, these all kind of things are supported by any language. Those kind of languages we can say as object oriented. But here one special word like pure object oriented. So what is the meaning of this pure object oriented? 100% we have to utilize all object oriented features. Then that case we can say it is pure object oriented. Okay, 100% means, see, we have already, main thing is encapsulation is one of the main concept. Encapsulation means it supports complete variables and methods, both will be combined into, I mean wrapping, binding these two concepts into the class. Of course all class members we can access through object, right? This is, so that's why object completely in Java. See, in Java I'm talking about Java because even C++ is also there. The C++ in the sense, apart from class, other information is also there, like friend functions are there, those kind of things. Outside we can write general functions are there, we can use those things also. Even some global declarations are there, even those things also. It means apart from object oriented, some other features also available. It means procedure oriented, object oriented, both kind of things are available into C++. So that's why it is not exactly say pure object oriented. But coming to Java, any declaration, any kind of declaration, I mean whatever the kind of variable declarations, methods declarations, constructors declaration, inner classes declaration, whatever the kind of declarations and definitions, everything should be inside the class, only within the class. Outside the class, even a piece of declaration, a piece of definition is also not possible. So whenever everything will be provided inside the class, it's 100% it is safe, right? The whole data. It means if you want to access any class information without class permission, I mean, without object permission, can you access the data? I mean, any variables or methods? No. So that's why 100% we can utilize the object-oriented kind of features in Java. And that too, without object in Java, nothing we can refer. Refer in the sense like we can't access any kind of data or methods. Because class is nothing but it is completely data and methods, right? So logically everything will be provided through methods and state purpose, like each and every object state we can identify by using properties. So properties all are just like variables and methods, both we can access in Java by using object only. Okay, without object nothing will be possible. That's why 100% we can utilize the object oriented programming features. So that's why we can say it is pure object oriented. Whenever pure object oriented, security wise also it will be good. 100% we can provide the security for our Java programs. Okay, so this is also one of the case to say I mean Java will be the good for our applications. Even nowadays security is also important, right? Compulsory this is. So without the security our applications will be hacked, because our Java applications will run on Java, internet, right? So over the internet means compulsory we have to provide the security, right? For the variables, methods, for all these kind of things are required security. So that security we can perfectly provide by using, whenever it is 100% object oriented, obviously we can provide securities. Okay, this is also one of the factor to say we can choose Java in our applications. Okay, and one more thing is it is free language. Okay, nowadays maximum we're looking for cost. Cost is also one of the important factor, right? Anyway, see, almost maximum will be looking for free softwares. See, but here in this case, if you want to learn any kind of thing, suppose even any organization you take, or any beginners, like not organizations exactly, whoever want to learn the any language. So in that case, it is completely free language. See, suppose let's check them here. See here, Java is completely from starting onwards. It is free software only. It means we can download the Java directly from internet. So through the internet directly it will provide complete exe files. I mean that's according to the operating system. If it is Windows operating system, exe files, Mac operating system, DMP, Linux related somewhat files, tar files, different formats of executable files will be provided for our operating systems, right? So anyway, like cost is one of the main important factor. So nowadays each and every person will looking for cost. Okay, but nowadays so many softwares are there, they are providing like a trial versions, like 20 days, 30 days, or 45 days, something like that. So see, almost all the licensed softwares only perfectly will provide all the features, right? But whoever providing licenses with like 45 days of trial versions, there is no exactly license key, they are providing like 45 days to 30 days or something. Those kind of softwares will not provide exactly all the features implementation, but through Java, whatever the free software they are providing, 100% all the features will be supported through Java. Java is free language, we are saying. Free language means compulsory we have to download from internet and we have to install in your system and you have to execute them, right? You have to make the applications and execute them. But in that case, but Java will not give any trial period like 45 days or 60 days or 1 month, such kind of trial period. So in this case, this is also one of the favor for the organization. See, in organization, suppose already the organization, one particular company is already uh, running the applications on C++. So they want to start the Java in their projects. They want to start the projects with Java. So in that case, they want to update their employees with Java. So in that case, again, they also need somewhat software, right? So if it is free software, even for organizations also it will be very benefit, right? So free softwares using, we can learn all the kind of things. Again, we can implement all kind of things. The knowledge, complete knowledge we can, and with almost all 100% of features we can get through free software. So this is also one of the benefit to choose Java for our real-time application development. Okay, so this is the best. Like, see, how can you say it is the best language? In the sense, these all are the factors. Okay, of course, this free thing also helped Java to become popular among individual programmers and among large organizations. Individual programmer means, suppose, just assume like you are the beginner and you are the individual programmer. You mean like you are not belongs to any a big organization, you are the individual programmer. In that case, yourself you want to update also. Of course, you also looking for somewhat cost, right? Again, if it is licensed one, again it is somewhat we have to think. Okay, again, so many number of dollars we have to uh, pay for so and so provider, right? So in place of that, Java is providing free, right? So easily, as a individual programmer or complete organization programmers, it will be give the very good benefit for them. Okay, it will be very help in that particular cost situation. So this is also one of the good factor to choose Java. Okay, and so this is one more powerful thing, because nowadays development should be, it's taking generally development in the sense we have to typing the code and write the so many number of things, and we have to merge all kind of applications. So generally it will take too much of time, right? Generally earlier days, before, like our development tools in the sense, these all are ready-made softwares to develop the applications. Environment we are calling here, it is IDEs, integrated development environments. Okay, so here coding in IDE, the meaning is IDE is one of the tool. If you install the tool, easily you can develop the applications. It means before, earlier days, before Java development Java IDEs, we have same Java applications starting earlier versions, JDK 1.0 versions. They used all our notepad things and DOS editors. See, DOS editors, these are how much old they are. Okay, but even notepad, of course, still notepad is there in our operating system, even DOS also available. But if you want to prepare any kind of application in DOS editor or notepad, see, DOS editor means compulsory you have to provide some kind of commands, like same copy con space, some file name. Again, after that you have to type so and so blah blah blah, something kind of statements like 3 statements or 4 statements or simple statement. Hello world application also. But see, while developing the application, I mean while typing the application, DOS editor, notepad editor, wordpad editor, see, these all kind of editors, they will not generate the errors, right, while typing the typing time, because actually they don't know, they are not integrating with our Java, right? So we have Java installation, but the installation things will not interacting with that notepad, DOS, wordpad, these all kind of editors. So making will take too much of time, compilation will take too much of time. So these all type of things will be get too much of time. So that's why now whatever the Java is there, the Java is now it is powerfully interacting with integrating with our tools. They are called IDEs, we are calling integrated development tools. It means which is having the communication with these all kind of things. And one more thing, these all IDEs, are built on Java only. See, they are not only helps in code completion, but also provides powerful debugging capability. And what is the meaning of this capability? Debugging capability. This is called tracing. See, we have total 30 lines of code. Just assume we wrote 30 lines of code, but line to line, what kind of process, what is the execution process, like in first statement what type of values are passing, in second step what type of values are passing, what are the values are updating in the same kind of lines, some other, like that. It means debugging, complete debugging process will also provided by tools. But notepad and dosset, they are providing any debuggings? No, they are not providing. Okay, which is completely essential for real world development. So too much of flexible, easily. See, making is also, it is very easy. It's no need to get any kind of confusions. It's very clear and easily understand the even options also. Very easily we can do it. Okay, that only. Always these all are, see, IDs made Java development much easier, faster and fluent. The mean faster, why I am saying here, it is even the developer forget any, of course Java is nothing but so many number of predefined classes, so many number of predefined methods you have. In that case, if at that moment exactly while he is typing, I mean the programmer is typing the application, somewhat lines of code, in that moment exactly, like he forgot somewhat class name or any method, but just at least he know the first character of that class or first character of the method. So easily, automatically, the ID will populate the number of alternatives which are starts with that particular character. Then automatically he can understand and he can recollect the method names or class names, right? So in that case, that is also one of the benefit for programmer. It means easy, like easy everything, even fast. The whole word typing place automatically it will populating. No, directly he can select and he can put into there wherever he need in that particular lines. So it means using that it will be very fast. Compilations, executions, making of the application. See, exactly whatever the time we fixed for, okay, duration like 3 months, the project will be finished, in the sense exactly 3 months you can code the code for so and so kind of application. It means based on IDs. See, without IDs, the fastness is not there, because debugging, again, if we want to check, no, compulsory everything, error checking is required, debugging concept of step to step whether the application is executing properly or not. These all kind of things are we can do by using IDs. Okay, nowadays for Java, to make Java applications we have so many number of IDs, but most, like 60 to 70% of the companies are using here Eclipse. Okay, this is almost good reputed IDE, Eclipse. Of course, some NetBeans, MyEclipse, RAD, JDeveloper, IntelliJ, so on. So many number of IDs we have. Of course, it's based on the company standards. So even they have somewhat Eclipse, in the sense Eclipse they can, MyEclipse means MyEclipse, NetBeans means NetBeans, based on the company. Okay, so almost 60 to 70 percent of the companies are using in our real time Eclipse only, that is. Okay, so this is also one of the good future to choose Java for your application, I mean for your project. Okay, means these all are like easy to learn, platform independent, uh, object oriented, and again here powerful development tools. Okay, and these all are the factors to choose Java is best, and Java will be fit in any area in our real time. Okay, in real time environment, any area we can fit this Java application. It means like low level kind of applications also we can do, high level applications also, high end kind of applications also we can do. Okay, so and once you say this, in real world, in where exactly our Java applications are running, just these are the simple examples like in real world. Okay, the first one is Android applications. Of course, right now everybody is using of course mobile applications, mobile technologies, almost maximum, because of nowadays each and everything should be in our hands only, right? So everything, like each and every application, like any kind of easiest thing, right? Android applications all are built on Java only. Okay, basically Android is one operating system which will be in micro. I mean like micro editions means like is related to phones. Like phones within the phone, one operating system is there. In that operating system, whatever the applications, like whatever the applications we are interacting, the user is interacting, all applications made upon Java only. So that's why Android OS, Android operating system is completely built on Java. So that is also one real time example, right, for Java. In that sector also we are using Android is one of the sector. Okay, in real world. Second one, so web applications. See, any information nowadays, everybody will publish on internet, right? In the form of websites. See, website development. So in website development, so Java is playing major role. Mainly the aim of Java is to build distributed functionalities on internet, right? So obviously web application is also one of the example for Java. Nowadays so many like Gmail and so many other kind of Yahoo, these all are built on Java applications only. It means they all are websites, right? Of course, it is mailing sites or e-commerce site or any commercial sites, and that only e-commerce applications and banking applications, and at the same way social network kind of applications. These all will be our, of course, basically web applications only. In web applications also, they are using Java. See, these all are real-time daily we are interacting with these all kind of softwares. Those all softwares internally having Java, I mean to say. Okay, next one is here, software tools. Okay, already previously I told, no, we discussed about some Eclipse, NetBeans, these all are right. So these all are built on Java only. Okay, actually earlier days JDK 1.0 time, there is no these Eclipse, NetBeans, these all kind of things. Actually they introduced after JDK 1.3 onwards. Okay, it means using JDK features, I mean using Java features, they developed somewhat tools. These are called software tools. Why we are saying software tools? We have to install software, means we have to install in somewhere, right? Compulsory. So if Eclipse is one of the tool, you have to install the Eclipse, I have to install the Eclipse, somebody is also want to install the Eclipse, they have to install, right? It means individual, every system we have to install these kind of softwares. It means those kind of softwares development also have the, it's playing the role. It means like Eclipse, it is also one of the tool we are using to develop the Java application, but that software is also developed by using some so and so kind of technology, right? That is also by using Java. Okay, and one more thing, this is one of the uh, biggest real-time application of Java, big data technologies. Okay, we are saying it is Hadoop. It means we want to store huge amount of data, and unorganized means it's not organizing, so it is not in organized format of data. Okay, bulk amount of data we want to store, so in that case by using big data related technologies we can use. Okay, but completely whatever the big data technologies we are using in our applications, like what are the softwares we are using, all the softwares built on Java only. Okay, so here we have so many number of logical programs are there in big data. So in that particular applications, Java is there. So big data applications, if you want to develop also backdrop, again background, the Java is needed. So big data applications also, it Java is playing the role. Software tools also it is playing the role, and web applications also, and Android applications, and even some other cases embedded systems. Okay, embedded spaces. See, somewhat smart cards are there. Smart cards like entry kind of things, or a login logout kind of things are there. Like these all are embedded systems kind of things. Even embedded system spaces also we can use the Java. That we are calling as embedded Java. We are calling. Okay, and that is also one of the real-time example. So these all cases, it means Java almost it covers complete real world applications, right? Complete inside the real world, whatever the kind of applications are there, all the kind of applications the Java is running. So that's why, no, the first time I told you billion of the systems Nowadays in real time billion of the systems are running on Java. So many number of softwares are running on Java. Okay, so in this way we can say it is. So how Java will be best comparatively other languages in the sense, like I think this will be very helpful to you to choose Java is best. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's all, everybody.